In this video, I will guide you on how to use your Xbox controller as a remote control for any smart TV. Now, as you can see, I can comfortably control my smart TV over here with my Xbox controller, and basically I am using a smart Android TV. But trust me, this works on literally any smart TV you can think of. I've tried it in a Google TV, a Samsung TV, an LG TV, literally every smart TV out there. It works absolutely well, and you can even use it to play games on the TV without any problem as well. Okay, so first thing you need to do is to turn on Bluetooth on your smart TV. So you want to go ahead and get your smart TV's remote control, then navigate to the settings of the TV. For smart Android and Google TVs, you would find the settings or gear icon at the top right corner of the TV. For some other TVs, you might be able to find it from the left hand side or sometimes from the main menu of the TV. So I will navigate to the settings icon on the right hand side, then to the settings over here. Now from the settings, you should be able to find the Bluetooth settings. For some TVs, you would have to go over to the connection or connectivity settings. In my own case over here, the Bluetooth settings is actually under the remote and accessories option from over here. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on or enabled from the Bluetooth menu. In my case, to turn on Bluetooth, I will just tap on the add accessories option, and as you can see, it is requesting that I turn on Bluetooth, so tap on OK. And now the Bluetooth of our smart TV is turned on and ready to connect with any other device. So go ahead and get your Xbox controller, and to turn it on, you just want to long press on the Xbox logo over here for 2 seconds or 3 seconds. And once it is turned on, you're going to see the light slowly flashing, meaning that it is not currently connected to any other device. But we want to put it on pairing mode or syncing mode. You want to just long press on this pairing button at the top of the controller over here. Press and hold it for about 5 seconds, and you're going to see the lights over here blinking faster or rapidly, meaning that it is now ready to pair, and you should now be able to find it on your smart TV as well. If in your case your brand of TV is unable to find the name of your Xbox controller just like this, you can go ahead and retry the whole process by just refreshing the search process, or you can just come out of here and then try to search for Bluetooth devices again and see if that will actually fix the problem. But if that does not also work, towards the end of this video I'm going to give you an alternative solution to still connect it to any TV you have. If you're able to find the name of your Xbox controller, you can go ahead and just select on it from over here. Give it a couple of seconds now, and now it should be connected, and you can see that the light is now steady. So at this point, I can now use my Xbox controller as a remote control for my smart TV, and as you can see, this works absolutely well. I can simply navigate through the TV. It is even way faster than the TV's actual remote control. Also keep in mind that once you have connected your Xbox controller to your TV, you do not have to always connect it every single time. As soon as you turn on your TV or turn on your Xbox controller, it will automatically connect with the TV again. Now for those that are unable to connect theirs using Bluetooth, an alternative solution is to get a USB to USB-C cable like this one over here. Connect the USB-C part of the cable to your Xbox controller just like so. Then you can connect the other end of the cable directly into any of the USB ports on your TV. And just like so, you can now still navigate through your TV using your Xbox controller. By the way, you can also play games if you want. If you find this video useful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.